That's the power of community, everybody. I want you to listen, everybody listen in on this, because when Dom comes on and Jonathan comes on, I want everybody to understand the depth of this. Just because you might not have the equipment to go do a job, just because you might be scared to go up to a job because you don't have the equipment, just because you might not believe that you can do it, doesn't mean you can't reach out for help and go after closing a deal that's a $64,000 deal. And then when you close that deal, just know that with the AK community and the support, you have the ability to unfold projects that are a lot of the times 40 or 50 times bigger than your average job price that you're closing. And so I want to give a huge shout out for Jake and a round of applause from everybody on here for not being scared to the point that he didn't actually do what he knew he could do with his wife to close a $64K deal and to call for help when he needed the help. I just want to give you that massive amount of respect, bro, because that's the difference that makes the difference. That's different than average, bro. And that's why this year you're going to hit your goals and surpass those goals, because now you believe with conviction that you can go out there and do this, whether it's alone or whether it's with somebody else within the community. That's a win.
First of all, you guys are all crazy as hell, and so am I. And to go with the coaching, every single one of us is crazy in our own way, but to start a business, to unfold all this nonsense, it hurts mentally, and I definitely would not be able to do it without, or I wouldn't have gotten through half of the stuff that I have without the coaching. Just the mental health aspect of it, to be able to have that person you can rely on. You know, I couldn't afford to go out and get, you know, another coaching just because of weather, but even still, Anthony answers my call. He helps me at any turn I have, you know, after the fact. And I mean, as soon as the money comes in, I'll be right back in it. But, you know, just having that extra person there, that friendship, it doesn't dissolve based on money. It's not money oriented. It's to help you. It's to help you grow and grow as a person and be able to not do this alone. So thank you, Anthony. That's the gist of what I had to say there.
I'm so glad to be here. So my biggest win is the decision to sign up for coaching with Asphalt Kingdom. It's been 2 weeks of working with Stephanie.
So I went and got an estimate, and you know, he hadn't gotten done in a while, and it was pretty big. It was 6,500 square feet, and it's just me. So I was a little worried, but Anthony hooked it up. You know, he made me feel a lot more comfortable going in. Had all the equipment ready, so now I know how to clean and prep and do all that, especially with the field training.
I just want to say, like, honestly, we couldn't have done it without you, Judd, without Dom and Johnny. Like, everybody that sees this or hears about the coaching program, I would 100% encourage everybody to just go and do it. Just pull the trigger and get the help that you need. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Judd, it's been 2 years, I think, now that I've known you, maybe a year and a half plus. And I say to everybody that I talk to about you,
my win is that I tackled the 250,000 square foot job. I measured it. I assessed it. I have a grip on it. I know, sort of, like, I've put hours into it, and the next time I get such a large job, it won't be as overwhelming. So the experience is a huge one for me. And I'm excited to see what the next week brings.
Alex.
My win.
Alex, listen to this, bro. You see, what's the slogan for Nike?
Just do it.
Congratulations, man.
Thanks.
I remember us on Zoom a short time ago, I remember what that was like. And now you're building your own pavement asset management business. You're doing the jobs. That's a really cool thing. That was only, what, a few months ago? Not even.
Yeah. I mean, the business was like, the LLC is like June 28th. So yeah, not too long ago, about 2 months.
Just getting started, my man. Really proud of you, and follow the process and stay connected.
This guy's in my back pocket. I can get my phone out and just message him, and he'll get back to me as soon as he can. I know I can do the same with Dom. I know I can do the same with Johnny. I know that community exists now. I knew that before, but it's like cemented now. And I would just encourage everybody to, not only just reach out to the coaches, but make friends with people, get to know everybody. It's more personal than just, a connection here and there.
Dom is going to be helping me. He told me to manifest the job. So assuming I have the job, not if I have the job. Thank you. He taught me that. Yeah.
I want to say, remember during your acceleration call, you told me that your biggest fear was getting on the other side of your first installation and having the person not be satisfied with it, right?
Yep.
But you did the groundwork, you did the prep, you did the practice, right? You came in and you invested in yourself. You did all the things necessary in order to overcome that fear and not have that become a reality. Now, anything that you want to build into this dream, you can. So I'm really, really proud of you for recognizing what was holding you back and finding ways to push through it.
I recommend it to everyone. It's been a game changer in terms of knowledge, in terms of structuring my business in a way that will ensure its longevity. In terms of helping me stay focused, stay present, work towards my goal, structure these goals. Honestly, I keep on thinking about how I would have done it without, and I would have been pretty lost. So
it's a legitimate family, and I really felt that with Dom and Johnny this week. It was unreal.
This is incredible. You guys have built something incredible, and whoever isn't on it yet, just it's a really good investment. It's a really worthwhile investment.
For me and for Judd, like, that's what is amazing. Getting to be able to provide that to you and show you that, and being able to give you that vision that's so obtainable and it's actually right in front of you. For us being able to provide you guys with that is, we couldn't ask for more. And I know you guys are going to just achieve greatness. And I'm proud to be a part of your journey.
Let's go. By the way, all the colors and you're glowing, and this is really, really cool, because this is the excitement, the energy, and what we need to be able to build what I call a thriving culture. Stephanie, amazing work. Dom, amazing work. So proud of you guys. So proud of everybody. And Chanie, you're going to do incredible. So excited for you.
Awesome. Well, we're grateful for you guys. And I just want to say one more thing. This wasn't just coaching. It wasn't just like, hey, this is how you crack fill better. This is how you seal coat better. Honestly, every time we had an opportunity, we were talking about the vision, talking about the dream, talking about, what is the purpose of you doing this, telling each other our life stories, telling each other why we are doing what we're doing. And that makes everything more believable.
If you desire to believe with conviction at a whole new level, and you want to become a lot more successful, a lot more faster, you have to invest into yourself. Whether it's reading audiobooks that you're going to buy on Audible and you're going to listen to them, or read hardcover copies, whether it's taking courses or investing into coaching programs, getting into a gym and doing some physical workouts, taking some time outs to let your mental break take shape for a little bit so you get your balance. Invest into yourself. Please do it for yourself. If you truly desire to get way over there, do it and you'll get there faster. Best advice I could ever give anybody. There's no professional athlete that exists on the planet that does not have a coach. Everybody agree? Honestly, let me know if you agree with that, straight up. Invest in yourself, guys. Do it. Best thing you could ever do.